Well, we have snow in the mountains. Check out our Palomar Mountain sky cam right at the observatory, that little fresh layer of white right at the observatory, in fact. And we're also seeing a lot of ponding and some localized flooding. So this is an area that typically does flood when we do get a lot of rain, and that's exactly what's going on right now on Country Club Road in the Escondido area. It doesn't look like they have their signs up, so these are kind of the areas that you want to avoid. Don't drive through them. I've seen people drive through that so many times when we do have flooded roads. So turn around, don't drown, like we always say. All right, so scattered showers across the county, but I wanted to zoom into the North County because we have some really heavy rain moving in right at the Camp Pendleton and San Clemente area. And then this little band right here is going to continue to track inland and arriving in San Marcos with that heavy rain by about 5:21 and Valley Center about 5:46. And periods of heavy rain are going to continue into tonight, but that widespread, steady, heavy rain and really strong winds that was very consistent for several hours today, that has pushed out. So a lot more rain to come, though. So there's this first storm system that we are tracking. Look at all the snow that we're seeing up in the Sierras. We're going to also see a lot more snow here locally as these snow levels drop. We're at 34 in Mount Laguna, freezing at Palomar Mountain, 39 in Julian, 50s and 40s for most of the county. Significantly cooler than yesterday, especially in the deserts, 13 degrees cooler than 24 hours ago. We're also seeing really gusty winds still. Ramona, 48-mile-per-hour gusts right now, 28 in Julian, 24 in Descanso. So we have wind advisories in effect all across the county. And we're going to see even stronger winds than today as we head into tomorrow night and Wednesday. So let me track it. You can see the strongest winds tonight will be in the mountains and the deserts. The wind advisory for the coast and the valleys ends at 8 p.m. And then we see more advisories go into effect as we head into Tuesday, 10 a.m. for the mountains and the deserts and 8 p.m. for the coast and the valleys. The strongest winds for a lot of us are going to be Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. A lot of it while we're sleeping. This is at 2:30 in the morning. But look at these widespread gusts over 30, 40 miles per hour, not only just in the mountains and the deserts. That easily can do some damage. Secure loose outdoor items, take your wind chimes down, anything that you have hanging, you might want to take those down. And the winds really continue into the afternoon in the mountains and the deserts, but not as strong as they will be in the overnight and early morning hours. Your hour by hour tomorrow, it's actually mostly going to be dry. Occasional showers, temperatures topping off in the low to mid 60s. For the coast, inland neighborhoods, we're going to be in the mid 50s to low 60s with the best chance for that heavy rain really early in the morning, but luckily mostly before the commute really picks up. We're in the 60s for most of the county tomorrow, 40s and 30s in the mountains with those dropping snow levels. I'm also going to talk about that in a second. So here's our first storm. Then there's another one right behind it, and there's a third one that's going to arrive on Thursday. So as we head into tonight, occasional heavy rain still is going to be happening, but it will be more isolated in nature compared to what we felt earlier. That's continuing tonight. Then that next wave comes in early tomorrow morning between about 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. Widespread rain and heavy snow in our mountain communities. Still mostly looking like rain in Julian, but if those snow levels do drop, you could pick up snow by tomorrow morning in the Julian area. And then most of the day, again, we're going to be drier out. In fact, as the commute is really building, 7:30 in the morning, maybe a few isolated showers. However, ponding, flooding, all of that residual is still going to be with us during the commute. And then the next wave also comes through really early in the morning, again, between about 3 and 6 a.m. on Wednesday. Another round of widespread heavy rain and heavy snow in our mountain communities. And then the last wave comes through as we head into Thursday, and this one looks like it's going to be bringing a lot of rain during the day. This is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. A quick look at the snow forecast above 4,000 feet, which includes Julian, maybe 1 to 3 inches, and the highest peaks, we might be looking at 3 to 8 inches of snowfall. So temperatures are going to be staying in the low 60s for most of the week and a few days in the 50s for the cooler spots, but by Sunday, we're near 70 degrees along our coast. Inland neighborhoods, we're also dropping to the 50s pretty much everywhere Wednesday and Thursday. Those next storms Wednesday and Thursday are going to be a lot colder, and that's why we are going to be seeing those lower snow levels. So again, for the mountains, snow levels around 4,500 feet tomorrow. That means all snow tonight into tomorrow for the coast, or for the areas like Palomar and Mount Laguna. And then Julian's best chance for snow is going to be overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. 30s for highs then. In the deserts, we're going to notice those gusty winds and occasional heavy rain as well.